First of all, cut 2 pieces of board, one for setting fans, another for lower basement of this box. The one you pick to set the fans, make 4 holes with the correct estimate, as these boards are not strong for drilling besides each other. The bottom board should be plain. In here, we measure height instead of width. So the height of these pieces is only 3 inches and the length is 15 inches. 2 pieces are required. Now on left and right side, based on accurate measurement, cut 2 pieces. One for left and other for right. Both sides I made 2 holes. Make sure to drill holes for switch placement.
3 holes in backside of this box. 1, 2, 3. Oops, my shadow has darkened this side. I need to move. All right, let's see the right side. 2 holes. No holes in the front view, for better looks. Moving to the left side, same vent holes as right. These holes are for the movement of air in and out. I use melting glue to joint together these boards.
Fill both boards with melting glue in every corner. For these joints, melting glue is fine.
Small alpin make these joints much stronger. Besides glue, I used 1 alpin in every corner of these box. All red wires from the fan pair together in 1 point. Black wires are pair in another point.
You see screw holes in every corner of the fan. Put a bulb on one side and add glue.
The bulb's long legs are positive and small legs are negative. Attach those fans in the upper shade of the fly board, where you made fan adjustment holes, using the melting glue to hold it in perfect place. This is a 12-volt charging adapter with 2 amps output. Connection diagram. This is positive wires from fans. And this is negative wires from fans. I make a parallel connection here, meaning negative wire at one point and positive wire at another. Fans, LEDs, and adapter negative terminal. This one only for fans. I linked it to the LEDs negative and power negative. Power positive line. Linked directly to the fan switch. Then I use 100 resistance to reduce voltage for LEDs, because those LEDs are 5 volts. 2 switches. Yellow wire connected from switch to fan positive lines. And red wire goes to LEDs positive points. I use copper coil wire for LEDs. I bought these wires for other purposes just a few days ago. Sadly, these projects failed. This corner, I put 1 LED. Down there, I put another. This way, I put one LED bulb on every corner. Connection is simple. Use soldering iron for breaking insulator and connect all of this. Good points of this wires are, you don't need to panic about positive and negative wires. You can screw up one another. They will not make short circuit. You can connect these OLEDs with normal wire. I would prefer to use normal wires or standard Y. Before closing the upper lid, I check to see if everything works properly. Yep, lights flashing and fan running. After closing the upper shade, how does box look like? Pretty good. The front view. Flat plain board. Let's move to right side. Two good-looking switches. Other side. Two vent holes, perfect. Now turn on switch and see what happens. Wow, fan moving perfectly. And turn off the switch to see if these fans will stop or not. Stopping, great. I set it on my table. And I enjoy PUBG mobile games on my laptop without the problem of heating.